Balisongs, better known as butterfly knives, have been rapidly gaining popularity in the knife market. They originated from the Philippines and later introduced in the USA by Benchmade. Since the inception of social media, people of all ages are slowly discovering the fun sport of flipping, a term that balisong owners use to describe the tricks they perform. For decades, balisongs have been usually depicted in films as gangsters' crude weapon of choice, but the knives in today's knife market are completely different beasts. Companies like Benchmade, Blade Runner Systems, and Home Design have been putting out modern, precision-machined balisongs that are nothing like the ones you'll find at the local flea market. Whatever your budget is, this video will provide you with the best butterfly knives and trainers your money can buy. Let's watch the video. Number 9. JF Mall Balisong Knife. Material: made of high-quality stainless steel, rust-inhibiting, enhanced screws are very tight and high quality. Perfect size: length 9 inches, open, newest design skull butterfly knife. Exquisite packaging. Package with a bag and beautiful blue box, you will love it. Non-offensive blade. Best choice for butterfly knives beginner, you can practice without harmful, and very easy to use and safe flipping fun. Perfect for travel, hiking, climbing mountains, vocation, riding, fishing and etc. Number 8. TOPOINT Balisong Knife. 440C stainless steel material gives high hardness and abrasive resistance. No sharp edges, no offensive blade, it is perfect for learning how to use a real butterfly knife without hurting yourself. Total length: 9.13 inch, blade length: 3.93 inch, blade thickness: 2.6 millimeters. Comfortable handle with balance holes gives strong feeling in hand. Number 7. Ganen Practice Balisong Knife. This is a good choice if you are a butterfly knives lover. You could practice it without danger. It is just a camping practice tool comb, not a knife. As the survival tool, it is a good helper of daily and emergency survival. This item is just for practice usage. The blade has holes, so it can't not be sharpened. Approximately 8.8 inch overall open, approximately 5 inch closed. Number 6. Grand Way Balisong Knife. Butterfly trainer is made of quality and durable 420 stainless steel, all the construction is made of metal. This is not real butterfly knife. Butterfly knife not sharp, no offensive blade. Everyday use skeleton balisong. Trainer tool is simple, lightweight, easy to handle and use, accessible and safe, suitable for beginners and teenagers. Instruction to loose. Tighten your balisong. Open the latch located on the bottom of the butterfly knife. Hold the handle and tighten the pivot screw using a suitable screwdriver. Located where the handle meets the blade base. Repeat the process for the other handle. Ensure that the handles aren't over-tightened. Perfect butterfly training knife is suitable for beginners and teens. Butterfly knife practice blade is safe and easy to use. The knife can't be sharpened due to its design. Safe blunt and dull blade trainer knife ensures practice without any cuts or injuries. This tool will help you understand how it all works and it will also keep your hands safe. Balisong trainer provides excellent corrosion and treatment resistance, high durability. High quality pocket butterfly knife. Super gift idea on Christmas, birthday, anniversary, etc. Stocking stuffers for men, women. Number 5. Yuzlder Balisong Knife. A dull edge blade with skeletonized holes to reduce weight, and you won't cut yourself while practicing new tricks. Connected with rivet which features smooth action. The handles, made of durable quality materials, grip tight and feel comfortable, are silver-coated stainless steel and the blade is made from beautifully dragon pattern. The latch swings freely and locks the knife in both the open and closed positions so that no accidental openings or closings occur. The action is buttery smooth and this Balisong is well balanced for any type of trick you want to perform. A joy to collect and to use. Number 4. Topcom Balisong Knife. Great balance, perfect weight, comfortable when flipping, and great for practicing and perfecting flipping and new tricks. Not sharp blade. Safely practice without the risk of injury. Perfect for beginner to play with wherever you go. Made of stainless steel. Rainbow color finished. Folding size, 4.9 inch. Expanding size, 8.3 inch. It is a bit heavy, however this is good because it will discourage bad habits that a beginner may have. Number 3. Anlado Balisong Knife. A Balisong trainer is a standard Balisong butterfly knife without a blade. It is 100% legal in the US and, unlike a knife, you can't cut yourself. The butterfly trainer will help you learn how to flip without getting injured, but, note, you can develop bad habits if you stay on the trainer too long. For example, you can ingrain some poor flips that, with a trainer, won't hurt but, with a Balisong, will hurt a lot. I recommend you to practice with a trainer until you feel confident enough to move on to the thing, no more, no less. Not everyone needs a practice butterfly knife. If you already own a Balisong, you can just use some electrical tape to tape up the blade. This will protect your hands from getting cut. You can also just use this tip to skip the trainer and get yourself a well butterfly knife trainer. If you don't own a butterfly knife yet, or if you are wondering if flipping is for you, get a trainer and try it out. Never rust. This enhanced butterfly trainer features a 5-inch and sharpened blade that is made of 440C stainless steel. It won't rust on you. It is 5.83 ounces and for beginners to learn with. Lighter Balisongs flip faster than heavier ones and require more agility. Number 2. VORNNEX Practice Balisong Knife. This butterfly trainer is useful for learning how to use the real thing without all the cuts and bruising to the hands. The unsharpened blade of our practice butterfly trainer will keep you away from danger as a beginner. We calculate a perfect weight balance of the butterfly trainer, 6 ounces, a perfect center of mass to make sure you can flip it smoothly. Durable. Unlike the normal butterfly trainer, we use enhanced 404 stainless steel and enhanced screws to make sure it can last long till you get the hang of it and are able to move on to the real thing. This practice butterfly trainer has no sharp blades and is perfect for learning how to use the real thing without all the cuts and bruising to the hands. Flip with fun. The trainer is so easy to use and provides hours of safe flipping fun. Number 1. Aifusi Balisong Knife. This trainer is perfect for learning how to use the real thing without all the cuts and bruising to the hands. The unsharpened blade of our practice trainer knife will keep you away from danger as a beginner. Durably built and sleek in appearance, this knives give you the confidence to practice without fear. Our carefully designed trainer knife trainers have a solid pin construction and copper washer setup with a spring latch to ensure these knives are made to last. This practice trainer knife has no sharp blades and is perfect for learning how to use the real thing without all the cuts and bruising to the hands. If the item you received out of the box was tight, kindly please add some oil and after about a day of flipping it'll open with easy and place smoothly. This is a gift one for your friend if they are a trainer knives lover. They can practice without harmful yourself. Just share these with your friends. Hope you have enjoyed this video and found the best Balisong knife that you need. Like and subscribe if you liked our video guide. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.